Okay, I'm back. Finally got the thermostat housing off. That's over here along with the new one. I was just comparing, everything looks good. But so how I got that off. All right, there's a 10 millimeter, which is right here, like this. All right, so this is on the bottom back here, right down there. See that? All the way back there? That's where it came from. Right? My hand's blinding light. Alright, so that's where it came from. Now, to get to it, this hose that I'm touching here, this coolant hose, which is also the one that connects to this little that there, is a pain in the ass. So what you need to do is, yes, take off the throttle body. That'll give you some leeway to manipulate this hose. All right, and then you also want to undo. There's a 10 millimeter that goes into down there, right down here. 10 millimeter that loosens this bracket, which loosens up another coolant hose, which is what I'm pointing to right down there. That one, which goes down to all the way down there. I don't know if you can see that. Right down there. No light. There's no light. No wonder there's like no videos on this. Anyway, so that's the lower radiator hose, and this is like another return that goes to another part of the engine that goes ropes around somewhere down there. But to get to that, what I'm pointing to, that bolt, that 10 millimeter that goes right there, you have to, this is a 1/4 inch, right? 1/4 inch shallow socket, wobbly one. It's a snap-on, and then to a 1/4 inch little extension, 3-inch extension. Then you snake it underneath. You can't really see, but you snake it underneath all that BS. All right. Let's see if I can't kind of snake it underneath there, and then you can see how it's touching. All right, and then with that held in place, you kind of grab your little ratchet and start going to town. Now it's going to be very tight in there, little turns, but if you have patience, you can get it done. All right. Now, shout out to there's another dude who was talking about that on YouTube. You just tape up your 10 millimeter wobbly socket, shallow socket, to your extension. Get it on there real good and start cranking little by little. And now I have to put this bastard back together. Terrible design. Chrysler, you fail. But I'll see if I can't put this thing back together.